After this video, you'll learn how to create simple, clean counter channels for your Discord server using the Serverstats Bot. You'll walk away with member, bot, and role counters that update automatically every 15 minutes. First, you need to add the Serverstats Bot. Click the link in the description to open the Serverstats website and click Invite. Choose the server you want to invite the bot to, accept the permissions, and authorize the bot. The bot will now be added to your server. To set up counters quickly, you can use the /setup command. To do this, type /setup in any channel, choose the type of channel you want it to be. I recommend choosing voice channel, and finally select default counters. This is the fastest way to create basic counters. It will automatically create total members, and bot counters for your server in just one step. Keep in mind with /setup you won't be able to pick the exact type or style of each counter because it uses default settings. If you want more control, follow the following steps. Start by going into any channel on your Discord server and typing /countercreate. A menu will appear with options. Select members only as the counter type. This will track your total member count. Choose voice channel as the channel type. This creates a voice channel that displays the member count in its name and it's recommended to use. Ignore the additional options and run this command. The bot will then successfully create a member counter. Next, lock the counter channel by clicking the gear icon beside the channel name. Go to permissions and find @everyone and ensure the red X is next to connect. Do the same for any other role. Ensure to check this every time we create a counter. This prevents people from joining the channel and shows a lock icon beside the name. You can rename the channel if you like, just don't remove the numbers. They are the live counter. This counter updates every 15 minutes automatically. If you want to force an update, you can use the /counterupdate command to ensure your counters update. Next, you can create a bot counter. Run /countercreate again. This time choose bots only. Pick voice channel again, or any other option you like. Ignore the additional options and run this command. This will show how many bots are in your server. Lock the channel like before and rename it if you want. Keep in mind, I'm showing you how to set up the 3 most popular counters. To see a full list of counters that you can set up through the same steps as all other counters, run the /counterlist command. However, keep in mind all commands with a yellow star next to them are paid features and cannot be used. For a role counter, first enable developer mode. Go to user settings, click advanced, and turn on developer mode. If it's already on, leave it on. Then go to server settings, click roles, right click the role you want to count, and click copy role ID. Now type /countercreate again. Choose members with certain role as the counter type. Pick voice channel as the channel type. In the extra box, paste the role ID you copied earlier. Press enter and the role counter will be created. Again, lock the channel and rename it if needed, but keep the number in the name. To display your counter in a category, you can create a category counter. Type /countercreate. Choose your counter type. I'm going to go with something we haven't done yet, so members without any roles. This time choose category as the channel type. Ignore the additional button and click enter. This will create a category with a live count in its name. Drag other channels under this category to keep things organized. You can rename the category, but again, don't remove the numbers. To make your counter stand out more, add emojis or symbols to the names. This helps give your server a more polished professional look. You'll find emoji suggestions in the description. If something isn't working, use the /check command. This will show any issues with your setup and how to fix them. As you can see, it shows a list of all the counters you have set up and if they're set up correctly. If you're finding this setup difficult or you have a question, join my support server in the description below for help in minutes. That's it, you now have a professional status setup showing your total members, bots, and special roles, all updating every 15 minutes. If you found this helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and drop a comment. If you have any questions or want to see more Discord tutorials, or if you need support, join my support server using the link in the description for fast help in minutes.